Right, to divide by fractions, the first thing we need to do is get the denominator to be the same. So the way we do that is getting the lowest common multiple of the two denominators. So as you can see here, 10 is the lowest common multiple. And we're going to times the first fraction by 2, because it's 2 down to make it 10 on the bottom, and the top be 2. And the second fraction is the first one, so actually we times it by 1, so it doesn't change. Because my denominators then are the same, 10 divided by 10 is 1, so in effect you can ignore that. And then it's the first numerator divided by the second numerator. Repeating the skill here, we've got 4s and 3s, so let's write down some multiples of 4. Write down some multiples of 3. We spot that the lowest common multiple here is 12. So I'm 1, 2, 3 down, so times this first fraction by 3. So that's 9 over 12. Then divided by the second fraction, 1, 2, 3, 4 down, so times that by 4, both numbers. That's 8 over 12. So first numerator divided by second numerator. And then this one there's an extra step because we've got an improper fraction. It's 8 into 9. How many 8's go into 9? A whole one. I've got 1 left over, and it's in 8 because that's the denominator. A couple more teaching ones here. So going through the same process, 7s and 5s. So I'm spotting so far here that I've not got a lowest common multiple. I extend my smaller number. So 35 is the first number that's the lowest common multiple. So I'm timesing the first fraction by 5, which gives me 10 over 35. And the second fraction, I'm timesing that by 7, which gives me 42 over 35. First numerator divided by second numerator, and we can divide by 2. We'll take a common factor of 2 out, which gives us 5 over 21. Now this last question you may think, right, okay, how can we deal with this? Well, the first thing to do is to make the whole number a fraction. So we put is an over 1 as the denominator. And then I've got the multiples of 3, 6, 9, and multiples of 1, 1, 2, 3. I laugh because obviously multiples of 1 will just count up. So the first fraction we times in by 1, so it stays the same. And the second fraction we times in by 3. So that gives us, sorry, there's a mistake there. So that gives us then times in by 3, 12 over 3. And then the first numerator divided by the second numerator, and we've got our answer.